Now, next topic is features of management. First features of management is a goal oriented process, which means management in every organization all have some objective. For example, in student life, all the students have objective to score good marks and achieve their targets. Right? Same way, in the organization, all organization has a main objective to earn profit. Right? For example, the goal of a school can be give a high quality education, and other company may have to earn maximum profit. All organization, whether they are institution, whether they are school, all have some objective for achieve their goals. These objectives goals are possible only with the help of management. So we can say that management is a goal oriented process. Without management, no one can achieve their targets. Now, second objective is management is all pervasive, which means it is applicable on everywhere, whether it is in India or whether it is in foreign. Management is applicable everywhere. Anything minus in the definition it's given, anything minus management is nothing or zero, means कि अगर आप मैनेजमेंट में से function of management, for example these are functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Anything is deducted from the management will be zero, right? So we can say that management is applicable in everywhere, whether this is a business, whether this is a non-business. Means in home we can say that all the activities, all the functions are managed. In school, in college, in institution, bank, companies, all have management. Without management, nothing is impossible. We cannot get their goals. So we can say that management is all pervasive. Third one is management is multi-dimensions. It is very important, multi-dimensional. First one is management of work, management of people, management of operations. Management of work means every organization is established for doing some work, like a school provide education, a hospital treat patients, a factory produce, right? These are examples of management of work, means we will manage the work. Now second is management of peoples, means people refers to human resource. In every organization, human resource are the asset of the company. Without these human resources, we cannot achieve their targets. We can say that we have raw material, machines available, but human resources is not available in the organization, then no target, no goals cannot be achieved. So we can say that management of peoples means these are asset of the companies.